Welcome to Compass and Pencil. Today we discuss exercise 1.6. First question, if x and y are two sets such that n of x is equal to 17 and n of y is equal to 23 and n of x union y is equal to 38 and find n of x intersection y. Given that number of elements in x is equal to 17, number of elements in y is equal to 23 and number of elements in x union y is equal to 38. Find number of elements in x intersection y. We know number of elements in x union y is equal to number of elements in x plus number of elements in y minus number of elements in x intersection y. Substituting the values, we get number of elements in x intersection y is equal to 2. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y have? Given that number of elements in x union y is equal to 18, number of elements in x is equal to 8 and number of elements in y is equal to 15. Substitute the values in our equation. We get number of elements in x intersection y is equal to 5. Next question. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Let H be the set of people who speak Hindi and E be the set of people who speak English. Then number of elements in H union E is equal to 400. Number of elements in H is equal to 250. Number of elements in E is equal to 200. Then find number of elements in H intersection E. Substituting the values in our equation, we get number of elements in H intersection E is equal to 50. Thus, 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does S union T have? Given that number of elements in S is equal to 21, number of elements in T is equal to 32 and number of elements in S intersection T is equal to 11. Find number of elements in S union T, we get 42 elements. Next question, if X and Y are two sets such that S has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements and X intersection Y has 10 elements, how many elements does Y have? Given that number of elements in X is equal to 40, number of elements in X union Y is equal to 60, number of elements X intersection Y is equal to 10. Substitute the value in our equation, we get number of elements in Y is equal to 30. Thus, the set Y has 30 elements. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea and each person like at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? Let C denote the set of people who like coffee and T denote the set of people who like tea. Then number of elements in C union T is equal to 70. Number of elements in C is equal to 37 and the number of elements in T is equal to 52. Substituting the values in our equation, we get number of elements in C intersection T is equal to 19. Thus, 19 people like both coffee and tea. Next question, in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? Let C denote the set of people who like cricket and T denote the set of people who like tennis. Therefore, in a group of 65 people, number of C union T is equal to 65 and number of C is equal to 40 and number of elements of C intersection T is equal to 10. That is 10 like both cricket and tennis. Substitute the values In our equation, we get a number of T is equal to 35. Therefore, 35 people like tennis. Next question. In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish, and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? Let F be the set of people in the committee who speak French and S be the set of people in the committee who speak Spanish. 50 people speak French, therefore number of elements in F is equal to 50, number of elements in S is equal to 20, and 10 speak both Spanish and French, therefore number of elements in S intersection F is equal to 10. Our aim is to find number of elements in F union S. Substituting the value in our equation, we get number of elements in S union F is equal to 60. Therefore, 60 people in the committee speak at least one of the two languages.